To use Android's hidden split notification panel. For that purpose, you're going to click onto the notification panel, swipe down on it to open the notifications, and we're going to swipe horizontally to enable the split notifications for multitasking without leaving the current screen. You can see I can work with this. I'm gonna head over to swiping horizontally, and here I can enable the split notifications for multitasking without leaving the screen. I can open up Face because I'm already on WhatsApp. I want to open the Chrome. I'm going to simply click on it like this, and it's going to open a split screen for me. And at the same time, I can also keep using the notification panel as well. This is how I can multitask and use and look up to the notification settings and also be working on a separate app simultaneously at the same time on this same screen. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.